chicken pot pie in a crock pot. What you're going to need is chicken breast, salt, 2 to 3 cans of mixed vegetables, chicken broth, and your seasonings. Okay, I just put in salt and pepper, rosemary, thyme, and some turkey seasoning just for taste, and a little bit of Mrs. Dash in there just to give the chicken some little flavor of chicken broth in there. I just put some chicken broth in. You want enough to cover your chicken. Okay, I just put 3 cans of mixed vegetables in here, and I'm gonna stir it. You might have to add more salt, seasoning to it to your taste, but all you have to do now is put the lid on it, cook it up to 8 hours on low, or you can cook it to 2 to 4 hours on high, and that's what I'm gonna do, is start it on high and then we go from there. Also, I put 3 bay leaves in here for give it some more flavor. So I just now put it on high, so I'm going to cook it for 2 to 4 hours and see how it goes, and then check it. In 2 hours, I check and see if it needs any more seasoning, more vegetables, and we go from there. And this is how it turned out. Very yummy. Today I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen, mostly the countertops, the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, and my sink. Enjoy. Talk to you later.